Hey there, YouTube fam! Welcome back to our channel, where we empower you with financial knowledge and help you make smart decisions. Today, we're diving deep into the topic of financial education. You see, in a world where people often fake wealth for social status, it's crucial to know how to spot the signs of a financially uneducated person. So, grab a pen and paper because we're about to reveal 10 red flags that you need to watch out for. Living the YOLO, you only live once, lifestyle refers to a mindset of prioritizing immediate pleasure and enjoyment without much consideration for long-term consequences or future planning. It often involves impulsive decision-making, excessive spending, and a focus on the present moment rather than future goals. While embracing spontaneity and seizing opportunities can be positive, solely adopting a YOLO lifestyle can have detrimental effects on one's financial well-being. It's essential to strike a balance between enjoying the present and responsibly planning for the future to achieve long-term financial stability and security. Borrowing money from friends can have significant implications for both your relationships and your financial well-being. While it may seem convenient or tempting to turn to friends for financial assistance, it's important to approach such situations with caution. Firstly, introducing money into friendships can complicate the dynamics and create a sense of indebtedness or imbalance. It can lead to strained relationships, resentment, or expectations that can strain the bond you have with your friends. Friendships are built on trust, understanding, and support, not financial transactions. Living beyond your means and accumulating debt can have serious consequences for your financial well-being. It's important to recognize the dangers associated with these behaviors and take proactive steps to address them. Living beyond your means refers to spending more money than you earn or can afford. It often involves relying on credit cards or loans to sustain a lifestyle that is not sustainable based on your income. This can lead to a cycle of debt, as the borrowed money accumulates and becomes increasingly difficult to repay. Not having an emergency fund can leave you vulnerable to financial hardships and unexpected expenses. An emergency fund is a crucial component of a healthy financial plan and serves as a safety net during times of crisis. Without an emergency fund, you may find yourself relying on credit cards, loans, or borrowing from others to cover unexpected expenses such as medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. This can lead to accumulating debt, high interest payments, and financial stress. Having an emergency fund provides you with peace of mind and financial stability. It allows you to handle unforeseen circumstances without resorting to borrowing or jeopardizing your long-term financial goals. It acts as a buffer, helping you navigate through challenging times and avoid falling into a cycle of debt. Neglecting insurance coverage can leave you financially exposed and vulnerable to significant risks. Insurance is an essential tool for protecting yourself, your loved ones, and your assets from unexpected events and potential losses. By neglecting insurance coverage, you run the risk of facing significant financial burdens in the event of accidents, illnesses, natural disasters, or other unforeseen circumstances. Without adequate insurance, you may be forced to bear the full cost of medical bills, property damage, or legal liabilities, which can quickly deplete your savings and potentially lead to financial ruin. Paying only the minimum on credit cards can lead to long-term financial problems and increase your debt burden. While it may provide temporary relief by reducing your immediate payment obligations, it can result in significant interest charges and prolong the time it takes to pay off your debt. Credit cards typically have high interest rates, and by paying only the minimum required payment each month, you allow the remaining balance to accrue interest. This can result in a substantial amount of interest being added to your debt, making it harder to repay and keeping you trapped in a cycle of debt. Not having retirement savings can put your financial future at risk and make it challenging to maintain a comfortable lifestyle during your retirement years. It's important to prioritize saving for retirement early on to ensure a secure and financially stable future. Without retirement savings, you may find yourself relying solely on government benefits or struggling to meet your basic needs once you retire. Social Security or pension plans may not provide enough income to sustain the lifestyle you desire or cover unexpected expenses that may arise during retirement. Neglecting to build an investment portfolio. Building an investment portfolio is crucial for long-term wealth accumulation. Failing to invest can mean missing out on potential growth and inflation protection. We'll introduce basic investment concepts, explain different investment options, and highlight the importance of diversification. Overspending on housing. Housing is typically the most significant expense in a person's budget. Overspending on housing can strain your finances and limit your ability to save for other goals. We'll discuss how to determine an affordable housing budget and strategies for finding housing that aligns with your financial situation. Not tracking expenses. Without tracking expenses, it's challenging to understand where your money is going and make informed financial decisions. We'll share practical tips for tracking expenses and discuss the benefits of knowing where your money is spent to improve financial management. Ignoring retirement planning. Retirement might seem far away, but it's never too early to start planning for it. Ignoring retirement planning can result in a significant financial setback later in life. We'll discuss the benefits of compound interest, retirement accounts, and the power of starting early to secure a comfortable retirement. Lack of investment knowledge. Investing is a powerful tool for building wealth, but it requires knowledge and understanding. A lack of investment knowledge can lead to missed opportunities or falling for scams. We'll introduce basic investment concepts and encourage viewers to educate themselves to make informed investment decisions. And there you have it, folks, 10 red flags of financially uneducated individuals. Remember, financial education is key to building a solid foundation for your future. If you've identified any of these red flags in your own life, don't worry. It's never too late to start learning and making positive changes. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more financial wisdom. Until next time, stay financially educated and empowered.